Ideal for busy families and home offices, this HP inkjet printer is designed to handle everything from schoolwork to creative projects with reliable performance and modern features like smart connectivity and borderless photo printing. Trusted performance for home and family. As one of America's most trusted printer brands, HP delivers consistent and reliable printing for everyday needs. With print speeds of up to 10 pages per minute, black, and 7 ppm color, it's perfect for documents, homework, and vibrant borderless photos. HP Plus with 3 months of ink included. When you activate HP Plus, you'll receive 3 months of instant ink, ensuring you won't run out unexpectedly. Ink gets delivered straight to your door, and after the trial, a monthly fee applies, unless canceled. Smart features with HP Plus. By activating HP Plus, users unlock smart features such as mobile printing, enhanced security, automatic updates, and more. Note: HP Plus requires an HP account, a stable internet connection, and exclusive use of HP ink throughout the printer's lifespan. Multifunctional capabilities. This all-in-one device can print, copy, and scan with ease. It also supports automatic two-sided printing and borderless printing, making it a versatile addition to any workspace or home. Mobile printing with the HP app. Using the HP Smart app, users can print, scan, copy, or fax directly from smartphones, tablets, or PCs. The app's intuitive design ensures a smooth experience for every user, from tech-savvy to beginners. Easy setup and self-healing Wi-Fi. Setting up the printer is simple, and the built-in self-healing Wi-Fi technology automatically detects and resolves connectivity issues, keeping your printing uninterrupted. Genuine HP cartridge requirement. Please note, this printer is designed to work only with genuine HP cartridges. It uses firmware updates to block cartridges that use non-HP chips or circuitry, ensuring optimal performance and security.